Hello guys, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. My name is Krishna Rai and today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to do PCB design using EasyEDA. So let's begin. First you have to open your internet browser, then simply you have to search easyeda.com, and once this window will open you have to do sign in. I have already signed in. If you don't have account, create a new one and then just click on this EasyEDA designer. Once it will be open, so here you have to create file new and then you have to go to schematic. So in this video guys, I'm going to make automatic street light circuit. So for PCB design there are two-step process. First you have to create a schematic of that circuit, then you have to create a PCB layout of that circuit, and then you can do PCB design. So in this video first I will create a schematic of automatic street light circuit, then I will create a PCB layout of the same one, and then we will take a look of 3D view like how your PCB will be looking. So let me quickly explain you about the interface of this EasyEDA. So left hand side you can see these two options, commonly library and library. So in commonly library you can find out the PC components like resistor, capacitor, inductor, diode and LED, and some advanced component you can pick from this library. So right now I'm going to design automatic street light. So in that few components are needed. So the major component is transistor, resistor and LDR, which is photoresistor. So first I will pick transistor from the library. Here I will write 547 and then I will pick this one. You can see right hand side image is shown. So according to your requirement you can pick a right one. So I will pick this first one and then I'll do zoom. Yeah, now it is visible. Again I'll go to write library and then I will write photoresistor, which is LDR, which is light sensor. So I will write photoresistor and then I will pick this one, not this. I'll pick this. Yeah, this is the fine, this is the right component which I needed. And then again I'll go to the library. I'll take 1k register, not 1k. I'll need 100k register. I will write 100k register and here you can see 100k register is there. Let's see another are available or not. 100k register, here it is, 100k, and this one. Let's take this 1 watt. You can see the specification is also shown here. So according to your requirement you can pick the right one. So this is actually 0.6 watt resistor. So let me pick this one only in this circuit, 0.6 watt. So here it is, and then let me pick another one from this one only. So we need 330 also, so let's write 330. So 330 register is loading. Yeah, so let's pick this one only, 330. Component is here, and from the commonly library I will take LED and header. So I'll take this header. So this is the female header pin where you can connect battery terminals. So for connecting battery I have taken this header, and then I will choose a blue LED from here. I have taken one LED. Now let's arrange all the things in a proper manner. So this will be here, and then you can actually rotate the component by just clicking on that. So I'm going to rotate this LED and then I will just put it here, and this register is going to be connected with LED, so I will keep here. Yeah, and this LDR I will rotate and I will put it here, and then this register is going to be connected with this LDR only, so I will put here. Yeah, so basically you can arrange by just dragging and drop. Then and then I will change all the text which are not required. I will just delete. So instead of this photo register, you can change the text from right hand side. I will write LDR, and you can see here, and this is transistor. So let's write only these things, and let's delete this not required, and this one is also not required. 100k, so only I write 100k. This is not required. R2 not required, delete it. So whatever things are not required, you can delete it. This, yeah, it is there. 100k is already there. This register, delete this. Yeah. Now let's make the connection using this wiring tool, wire. So let's connect all the things here. This is going to be connected with this collector, and this base is going to be connected with LDR, and then again I will connect this 100k to this, and then I will connect this to emitter of transistor, and then you can actually, let me pull this thing little bit here. Yeah, and even this here. Yeah, and this one let me put here. Yes, now wiring tool, and this is there. And now header pin we have to connect, so I will connect here, and this side I will connect here. Now we have to take VCC and ground, so I will go to commonly library, and I will take one VCC and one ground we need. So top of the this header I will give positive voltage, this is VCC. So this is going to be VCC, and this is going to be negative ground. So all thing is done. Now our schematic diagram is ready. Now what you have to do, you have to save your schematic diagram. So I will press Ctrl S. I will name these things automatic street light, and then I will save this thing, and then we are ready to create the PCB layout. So for creating PCB layout, here option is given on upward arrow. You have to click on this and then click on yes. It will take you a second. Yeah, here we go. You can see copper layer 2. So we are going to make 2-layer PCB, and here you can see the board outline will be rectangular, circular. According to your requirement, you can choose the right one. I will click rectangular, and here you can change the width and height of the PCB board. Then I'll click on apply, and here is the outline. And here you can see, if you want to place your component on the top layer, then you can select top layer. If you want to place your component on the bottom layer, you can choose the bottom layer. So right now we have selected 2-layer PCB, so we can actually do in both layer according to your requirements. First I will place all the component inside this outline. You can increase this outline if you want. I will just simply increase these things. Yeah, now this is fine. Let's increase this one also. Yeah, now this looks fine. Now you have to place all the component inside this by just dragging and drop. So I will click on this, I will rotate it, and then I will place this resistor here, and I will rotate this register, and then I will place this LED here. That is fine. And then I will place this 100K register which is here. So 100K is there, and then I will put this 330 ohm resistor here. So here it is 330, and then what I'll do, header we have to place here, and now we have to make root of that. So for creating routing, you can see PCB tools is here. So using this option you can make a track. So we are going to make track from this option. So track means you can see these blue in colored things we have to basically connect. So using this track I will connect all the things. Done. And then from this to this, done. And then from this option to this, and again from this to this, again from this to this. So like that you have to attach all the things. See, we have to keep in mind one thing, this two track should not be overlapped. So here you can see both are actually overlapped. So I will just make this layout on the bottom side. So I have selected bottom layer now, and then I will simply connect these things. So we can make a track on both sides, either top layer or on the bottom layer. So here again bottom layer is selected. So this track is actually uh, going to in the bottom layer because I have selected bottom layer here, and then again done. All things is done. Right here you can see all tracks is done. Now we will take a look of 3D view of this, but before that I will explain about few things. So you can see this is the pad. So pad means a pad is a conductor type of things. So pad you can take from here and you can place near to the component. So this is the pad, this is the pad, this is the pad, and this is the pad, this is pad, this is the pad, this is the pad, and this is the pad, this is the pad, pad, and then pad. And then you can write anything on silk screen. So if you want to print something on your PCB, then you have to select silk screen from here. So I will write on top layer. So I will select top silk layer, and then I will write a text here. So now we can change this text. So I will write Robuzang, and here you can see Robuzang printed. Now if you want to make holes for mounting, then you can actually make a hole. This is the option for making holes on the PCB for mounting. So here 3 are fine. Okay, done. Now let's see the 3D view how your PCB is going to be look. So I will simply click on this 3D view and it is loading here. You can see it will take some time, and here what you can see, your PCB is ready. Isn't it interesting? Right, here you can see header is there. So basically this is a 360 view, so you can rotate and you can see some layer, you can see tracks on the bottom side. Also you can see two tracks because earlier I have selected I have made few tracks on the bottom side and I have made lot of tracks on the top side. So why I have made these things on bottom side, because in my schematic actually two tracks are getting overlapped. That's why I have put it two tracks on the bottom layer. So this is the PCB and it looks like this. And you can see guys, it is very simple process. So now there are two way to do. Now you can download the Gerber file of the same things of this layout, and for PCB manufacturing you can send these things to the PCB manufacturer so that it can print. So you can here export the Gerber file of this thing, and you can uh, send it to the PCB manufacturer. So here generate PCB fabrication Gerber file. So for PCB fabrication you can download this Gerber file from this option. And if you want to print this PCB by own, then actually you can do one thing. You can export the PDF file or PNG image from this option, and using photo GSM paper you can take it print out, and then you can do the PCB fabrication by own if you want. Then in that case actually uh, ferrous chloride chemical is required, and then you can transfer that photo image to that PCB copper layer, and you can do the PCB fabrication by own. So in the next video I will tell you how to do PCB fabrication by own. So if you like this video, please hit a like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.